Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel, everyone. Do you like what you see? It is plantain season and it is crispy plantain chips. You lovers of plantain chips, do you know how to make plantain chips crispy at home? In this video, I share with you tips on how to make crispy plantain chips at home. Let's dive into it, everyone. So firstly, I'll be using green plantain. Now if you like the ripe plantain, go ahead and use it, but first watch to learn the tip on how to make your plantain chips crispy, whether the ripe or the green one. If this is your first time in my channel, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning back. Don't forget to like my video, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to watch the ads. It is a way you support my channel. And I have playlists on how to make Nigerian delicious meals. So don't forget to watch the playlist in this channel. Alright, so let's get into prepping this proper. So in a clean bowl, I will transfer this plantain and add water to give it a thorough wash. Now, I have washed this plantain off camera, but I have to repeat this process so you can see it. Now, when washing this plantain, make sure you use sponge to wash the back, the green part thoroughly, because so many hands have touched this. So wash before opening it, before peeling off the green part, everyone. Hello. If this is your first time, thanks for coming. And if you're returning, thanks for returning back once more. And don't forget to watch the ads. Don't forget to watch my playlist. You will not regret watching any of my playlists. So after washing it, simply cut off the part that is not needed, exactly what is seeing me do on the screen. And after that, please slant the knife and part it open. Make sure you slant the knife before opening it, and once it is open, the next thing is to use your hands to peel off the green part. Do this gently. Now if you don't like to use your hand to peel it off, watch and see the next step on how to peel it off. So next, do the same thing, wash and cut it open, and then I will show you what to do next on how to peel it. So cut off the part that is not needed, slant your knife once more, part it open, and now begin to use your knife. Make sure you slant it as you peel off the green part. This is it. If you don't want to use your finger or your hands the way I did on the first one, use the knife to peel it, but please do this gently. I don't want to hear you cut your hand watching Uleli Roots Kitchen. So number one tip on how to make your plantain chip crispy is to use this carrot scraper. All of you know this too. We use it to scrape off the carrots skin, the part that we don't need, or our cucumber. So using this scraper gives your plantain a very thin shape. As you can see on that screen, is very thin. And once this is put into a hot oil, oh my word, it doesn't take up to a minute for it to fry, especially when the flame is high and the oil is super hot. So you see what it's looking like. I'm going to be repeating this process until I fully cut the plantain. I cut everything, and then I will repeat the process until all the plantain I peel is completely cut into this thin shape. And after that, in a clean pan, once it heats, I add my fresh vegetable oil, and to make sure it is hot, I just chew one of those plantain inside, and then I realized that it is hot enough, so I begin to add the remaining plantain inside the oil. Now as you're adding up this plantain, remember they are very thin, so it's easily fries. Make sure that as you add, you're using your frying spoon to turn it, making sure they don't stick, because they will actually stick because they are very thin. They are very tiny. So you make sure you use your frying spoon to stir this, separating them from their sticky body, so it fries and comes out well and also very crispy. So it's this simple to make your plantain chips crispy. If you don't have this carrot scraper, you can simply use your salad cutter, the part that has that shape, as the part you use for your cabbage and cucumber. If you use it, it's going to give you these thin shapes, and it's going to, once you put it to fry, it's going to come out super crispy, and you would love it. And this can be served as your snacks. Your children can have this at their lunch box. You can also serve your guests. You can also use it at your leisure time, or when you're busy, you feel like snacking on something. Plantain chips is super healthy, especially when fried with a good, healthy oil. You will really enjoy it. So I will repeat the process until all the plantain chips and the plantain that I cut is properly fried. And after frying, another thing is that as you fry, make sure that you put a parchment paper or a good tissue inside your strainer, so the plantain chip doesn't soak the oil. If you soak the oil, it's going to be oily plantain chips. So after frying it, transfer into a tray to cool, spray it and make sure it's cool before you put it in your bottle to serve it, whatever means you want to use, and serve it everyone. So is this simple? I just fried it, I tried it, and I love it. In fact, I finished my plantain chips within 2 days, everyone. That is to show you how yummy it was. So I say, let me share it with you, my YouTube families. All right, thank you so much for supporting me all this year, and don't forget to watch the ads. All right, everyone, stay safe and stay connected. See you all in my next video, and bye for now.